Vande Mataram. I was not thinking that in my life I will witnessed such a great day today. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि आज इतने महत्वपूर्ण दिवस को मैं अपने जीवन में कभी देखूंगा. 7 November 1875 when renowned Bengali poet Bankimchandra Chattopadhyay penned down this national song 7 नवंबर 1875 को एक प्रसिद्ध बंगाली अ, कवि बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी ने इस जिसे हम आज राष्ट्रीय गीत नेशनल सॉन्ग वंदे मातरम कहते हैं उसकी रचना की थी. और आज in 7 November 2025 we are celebrating its 115th anniversary. It's a day of national proud. That's why I was thinking, why should not I share its historic background, its importance with everyone. The second important phase of this song was in year 1896 when our greatest poet, who is also from Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore, has sang this song in Kolkata Congress session. 1896 में गुरुदेव रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर ने इसे कोलकाता के कांग्रेस के अधिवेशन में गाया था. और हम समझ सकते हैं कि इतने महान कलाकार द्वारा लिखा गया और एक महान कलाकार द्वारा गाया गया यह गाना कितना महत्वपूर्ण हो सकता है एक राष्ट्रीय गीत बनने के लिए. Then, for 24 January 1950, it was officially adopted and equally respected as national anthem of Jan Gan Man by our parliament. और 24 जनवरी 1950 को इसे भारतीय संसद द्वारा राष्ट्रीय गान जनगण मन के साथ ही इसको समानता के साथ देखा गया. One more information things to tell that it was published in Bangla Journal, Bangadarshan, and then it was written under the novel Anandamath. One more thing I wish to tell: before independence, in 1907, our national flag was raised and it was written Vande Matram outside the India in Berlin by Madam Bikaji Kama. This national song has been kindled and inspired the many generations. It was the spirit of the patriotism since then to now. Not only to the days of independence or Republic Day, but whenever we listen this song, Vande Mataram, our heart is filled with the patriotism. We go beyond all the boundaries. This is the symbol of the national unity.